Make sure that you have Deno installed in Heroku. In my case, I already have Deno and Heroku CLI installed. Just create a simple app that will print Hello World in Heroku using HTTP standard library of Deno. So to do that, let's create a new file and save this as main.ts. Now I'm going to import the serve from the server.ts of HTTP standard library, and also call the flags functions. Here we get the args that's being passed to Deno. Here we will create a default port of 8080. Here we will use the flags and parse function to get the port that being passed. Also here we set the port. If the Heroku port is there, we cast it to as a number, or we will get the default port. Next, we check if it's a number. If it's a number, we will just console log here, like port is not a number, and accept. Oops, not one, accept here. And here it's erroring. There's an error. I think we need to import the exit as well. We'll create a new text encoder and then encode the string that we want to display in Heroku later when we deploy. Then we'll create a server with port, just the port. I think we can omit this, and let's just console log saying that HTTP localhost and the port number is this, and let's call the const request of this, and then respond to the body. Checking our code, I think we need to have this and test if it's working now using Deno run main.ts, and then it will show an error because I didn't allow the net permission. So what will I do is turn on or allow the net for this script there. To verify this, we will open this in a. Now it opens up the browser. So as you can see, it prints the hello world. Now refresh. And now we'll try to deploy this to Heroku. But first we need to initialize the Git. So I'll put it here, kill this process, git init, and then git add, and then saying git commit message initial commit. Okay. Before we deploy to Heroku, first we need to create a new file, a profile, and then issue the command that is needed is this web to run Deno and allow the net and the flag for cache only, and the script that is going to be run, and the port that coming from Heroku. And then we'll git add that, added profile. Now let's create a new Heroku app. Then when we will push this, as you can see, it throws an error because currently Heroku doesn't support or doesn't know how to run Deno. So to do that, we'll need a build pack project, or we're going to use the build pack project from this user. Let's create a new Heroku app and then push to Heroku. And once all of that are done and set up, you can now check the app using Heroku open command. And there you have it, our small Deno app deployed to Heroku.